Alright, what's up YouTube? It's been a minute since I made a full video, so I thought I'd update y'all on what a brother been up to. O'Neal Adventures, back at you. Springtime, got a bunch of stuff going on. Beautiful Saturday. I should have took a picture of my food plot before I mowed it. It was super high, about 5 feet. But I'm just cooling out today. Got me a little fire going. It's about 60 degrees out. I just like the smell of smoke. Beautiful day, right? Where my chickens at? I'll show y'all these chickens. They roaming. Then I'm gonna get to the real purpose of my video today. I don't even know where they at. Let them out, let them roam a little bit. Chicken's been producing quite nicely. Don't know where they at now, but they'll come back. They don't get eaten by a coyote. All right, whatever. They'll be back. They don't usually go far. All right, but anyway, let me update y'all on my garden project. I finally got it completed. And it was a bit of it wasn't hard. You just had to use some ingenuity. Got my fence up. Got my seeds planted. Me and the wifey put a few things in. Strategized and designed together. All right, so this is project number 1, and I'm gonna show you what I'm just starting today. Check it out now. Here's the fence. My wifey over there coming out. If I put her on camera, she's gonna be hot. I'm video. Okay. All right, so here we go. Here's the fence. Y'all probably like, I'm tired of seeing your garden fence. Y'all don't have a real good deep view of all the work I put in. So that's what you're gonna get today. Got the garden beds filled. All right, check it out. All right, so me and the wifey planted some mint and some, what's that called? Black licorice. This stuff is super good. You put that in the rice. All right, this stuff here already here. Oregano. I'm gonna show y'all. This stuff here is some sage. I've been drinking some tea with that. Some lemon thyme that I just started to dry out. Here's the garden bed. It's gonna be some banana peppers, cucumbers growing up. What else I got up in here? Got some peppers. They haven't started. Oh yeah, they're starting to come up right there. Yeah, they're starting to come up. It takes about 20 days for those to come up. All right, so that's that bed. Over here, we got a whole bunch of different stuff. Stuff starting to come up. It's been about 10 days. I know we got some carrots. Got some different stuff. Carrots, some onions. All right, up here, just put in some different lettuce. Starting to grow. Yep, different lettuce. I want to say this is grass, but I think it is, but could be wrong. This is my salad. This is my salad bed. So romaine, that's some romaine. Then there's some iceberg up in here somewhere. Then I got some cilantro and some basil all up in this bed. Okay. All right. So that's that. It's time for that stuff to grow now. Got it in. You ain't got to mess with it. Just water it down, right? Now here's my other little project I just started today. Check it out. Boom. So I just scraped about a 25 by 25. Actually, I had burnt all this up. It was burnt up pretty good, but I'm just now getting to it. All this stuff then grew back. So I want to put some corn. I want to do that Three Sisters planting where you put corn all in a square. You put corn, peas, and squash or zucchini. That's what I want to do. And I want to do some sweet potatoes as well. So I'm going to use this plot and some watermelon. So I want to use this plot to do it. The problem is, you see all this grass and stuff. Can't put any chemicals down because I don't want to eat that stuff, right? So me and the wifey about to strategize on what we need to do. Thought about putting this paper down, right? Then I got some topsoil. If I can go over the top of this, it's gonna be a lot of topsoil. Or I can put these down, wet it, and then just kind of get this started. Because this is gonna be a lot of work, a lot of paper. What y'all think? Really not sure. But I think what I'm gonna do is put this paper down. They call it no-till. Go ahead and put this paper down, wet it, put some topsoil, put some organic stuff, and just put some seed in the ground. That's what I think I'm gonna do. And then what I'm gonna do is over here, use this paper for like the watermelon. Make a little mound on the paper. Put your watermelon in that. I don't know. We're about to use it for something. All right. I got to get my wifey's brains over here. She know how to do all that kind of stuff. All right. So there you go. Little short video. Let y'all know what O'Neal has been working on. Stay tuned. It's that time of the year. Later.